Hello Diecast friends! Yesterday I was trying to upload a very nice hunting video in Belgium, but something went wrong, I don't know what, so to make it up I'm going to post a video about the new Majorette vintage rusty gift pack. Now, there's also a vintage gift pack, the non-rusty version, which is also very cool, but this one is definitely killing it. Check this out, the beautiful T1, the Renault Turbo, the black Celica, the Beetle and the Mustang. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Here we can see the cars, like I said, the T1, the Turbo, the Celica, the Beetle and the Mustang fastback. Let's not wait any longer and open it up and see how rusty this gift pack is. I also found yesterday the missing piece that I was looking for, the Porsche 911 Carrera, the police version. So I'm very happy, it was a really good hunt. And next week I'm posting the hunting video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's open up this pack. There it is, there it is. I also like the diorama and the back. So I try to use it for a good photo or something. Okay, now let's see what wrap. Yep. Cars are falling off already. That's good. Okay, let's start with my favorite. First, let's put this. Yes, yes, yes. There it is. A very nice color. Check this out. This is a beautiful piece, and I think a lot of V-dub van collectors really want this model. Can this open up? See? Yes! Oh, cool. Check this out. We like opening parts. Okay, let's check the base. Got a plastic base. Made in Thailand. V-dub T1, nice wheels, black rims. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's put this over here. The Renault 5 Turbo. Okay. Beetle. This is also going to be a very popular casting. Roll cage in the back. Nice front. Oh, I feel an opening part. There it is. Also a nice plastic red base. Made in Thailand, Renault 5 Turbo. Nice kinky rims. Turbo on the side. Rusty. And also a nice red interior. Maybe it's better to put some light on. Yes, that is better. Sweet, let's put this one over here, like this. If we watch the interior of this one, I don't think so. You can see the steering wheel. Looks pretty good. You want to look in the back again? Why not? We have some light now, so that's possible. Okay, let's put this one over here. Now let's go to the black Celica. The one from last year was a yellow, a very popular model. Check this out. Very nice. Love the red stripe here. Also nice red interior, and I believe this is the opening part. Yes, it is. That is not bad at all. And I really want to know from you guys, which pack do you prefer? Do you like the non-rusty version gift pack, or do you like the rusty version gift pack more? Please leave a message in the comment section. Definitely going to make some nice pictures for my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description. Here we have the Beetle. Nice rims, nice color. Here we got the opening part. Oh, I didn't check if it's... Yes, we have suspension. Boing, 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 boing. Not that much, but even the T1 has suspension. Boing, boing, boing. That is very sweet. Yeah, this is really cool. Let's check out the back. And the base. Okay, and last but definitely not least, pew, the Mustang. Wow. Let's check the opening part. Also a nice red interior. I like the black wheels, the black rims with the in combination with the red color. We have the Mustang logo here on the side. Yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. Nice black base. I wonder why. Check this out. So here we have Majorette, Dickie, Spielzeug, blah 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 blah. And here we have only Majorette made in Thailand. And same here. Same here. And this one. Werkstrasse 1, blah blah blah, Germany. But it doesn't says Diggy. Why? I don't know. Maybe some diecast expert can tell us. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this very beautiful Majorette vintage rusty gift pack from 2020. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time in a new video of the Diecast Dude channel.